first step is you got to take this air intake out.
Ah.
Good job. Okay, now the headlight bulb is in this thing right here, and so you need to turn it counterclockwise like that.
Ow.
There you go. It's just a cover, so get that cover off. Okay. Now you can see on the bulb there is a little wire thing right here that you have to push back and down, and then it comes out to unclip that light bulb. Do you want to see if you can get it out? Okay, that was easy. Okay, you're going to pull the bulb out, and then let me just show the bulb how it's just plugged in there. Can you unplug it?
It just
Kind of
looks
have to
like
wiggle it to unplug.
It just looks like it's crooked. That's the only thing that looks like it's wrong.
Okay, it's a H1. That's what it looks like. It's about $8. Okay, open it up, and you want to think about not putting your fingers and getting oil on that glass. Okay, so now maybe you can just pull your shirt up and hold it by that, and then plug it back in. Make sure it's all the way in. Okay. Now, can you show that base how it's not a total circle? It's got a cut out of it. And you'll see inside, and then there's two little dots. Inside where the bulb goes, let me see if I can get in there. Move your hand for a second. There are two dots, and then there's like a bracket in there. And kind of wiggle it around until you feel it hook into that.
Okay.
You feel it kind of set into those holes?
Nope, not at all.
It might be 180 degrees around from where it's supposed to be.
That's probably the case.
Okay, so you got it in there right. Now you're going to have to move that clip back over. Just push it in and around. Kind of goes around and then up.
Nope. That did not work. Ow. Can't see it going in. There we go. That's a good.
I think it's in there. Okay, now, here, let's go to let me turn on the lights and see if it turns lights up.
Okay.
Go to the front. You ready?
Yep. Woo! Yeah! Good job, Brenda!
Okay.
Guest starring Dad and the dog. Hey, Finny!
Oh, see how there's this arrow? The arrow is going to start out at the bottom. Here's what the back of it, and then it's going to go up, and so it points into the middle of the engine. I'll show you right now over here. In order to do this on the other side, you have to take the whole battery out.
Oh.
So.
Yes? Oh, sort of. Not all the way.
Here, you want to get it tight so that it stays waterproof.
So over the loop?
Yeah. Okay. Kind of wiggle it around, make sure it's in there. Okay, good.
No.
Put your fingers around the bottom, make sure that it's feels like it's overlapping the other piece.
Yeah, it does.
Okay, so then you put that bolt back in there. And we'll just tighten that up. That's all there is to it. Good job.